Since the weather and air movement are limited, flying drones indoor ensures you don't miss out the experience or fun. Mostly, the smaller and lighter indoor drones are designed for kids and children to learn the basic flying, for FPV flying or photography. They are affordable, easy to maneuver, and won't require long range and special features like GPS. To help you in selecting the right indoor drone quickly and easily, we have shortlisted some of the best indoor drones after having thorough market research. Also, we are here with a detailed buying guide to know more about indoor drones and how to choose your best one, as per your requirement. Number 1. Holyton Hand-Operated Mini Drone. Holyton Remote Control Mini Drone. First on our list is Holyton's Mini Drone. The compact size and easy-to-use features of this mini drone make it ideal for indoor use. This drone makes the flying experience fun and exciting with a wide range of additional features. You can use gesture control to make it do 3D flip, circle fly, and auto-rotating. This drone is ideal for beginners as it is easy to start and operate. You can just throw the drone in the air and start operating it. Additionally, you can control the drone either using a remote or using your hand. The headless mode ensures that you can maneuver the drone in any direction and do not have to rotate the drone. The drone features 3 speed modes that you can select based on space available for flying and your skill in controlling the drone. When flying indoors, there is a high risk of the drone getting damaged, or worse, someone getting injured. To prevent this from occurring, the propellers are covered by protection guards. There are 5 sensors located at the left, right, front, back, and bottom sides of the drone to sense obstacles and avoid them. With 3 modular batteries, you get a flight time of 15 to 21 minutes on a single charge. Number 2. Holyton Kid Toys Mini RC Drone. Holyton is one of the major drone manufacturers around the globe and has a drone for almost every kind of user. Hence, in this segment of indoor drones, this Holyton Mini RC drone fits right for our list. Just like any normal drone, it has every useful feature, but in a slightly smaller package that makes it the best fit for the beginners as well as the kids. Inside the package, Holyton offers 3 batteries, which deliver a total flying time of 21 minutes. In addition, it has an alarm feature that will let you know in case the battery gets low. For the kids, it is a perfect gift as it is pretty easy to operate and has assistive features as well. With the auto-hovering feature, you can lock its altitude level and fly it easily using the remote. Moreover, there is no need to worry about maneuvering it, because the headless mode makes it move in any direction you want. Not just that, it can do some little party tricks as well, like 3D flips, that will make your kid enjoy her time with this amazing toy. Moreover, it does get the one-key takeoff/landing feature for easy operation. For the learners, it has 3 speed modes as well to try your hands on. Number 3. Hand-operated drones. Force One has loads of indoor drones suitable for kids, as we just discussed above. However, if you need just one unit of the Force One Scoot, you can pick this deal. This small package just includes a drone and nothing else because all it needs to fly is your little help. As there is no controller, people often ask how it would be controlled, but Force One thinks a little different. Just toss it in the air slightly, and it starts to fly instantly. While it flies, it can maintain the height level with its inbuilt altitude hold feature. The flying time of this scoot drone is 8 minutes. And it takes up to 50 minutes to charge completely, and charging it for furthermore might damage the drone. Moreover, it sports several infrared sensors that can detect if any obstacle comes in its way. If so, it suddenly stops or changes its direction. Because of this feature, you can use your hands to make it move in another direction and control it as you want. On a single charge, it can fly for almost 8 minutes continuously while the bright LED lights will make it shine. The build is quite durable, and the outer shell protects its blades from breaking. Number 4. DJI CP.MA.000000123.01 Mavic Mini Combo. It is impossible not to encounter a DJI product when searching for a drone, as DJI is the most popular and industry-leading brand that you can pick. The DJI Mavic Mini is not an indoor drone, but if you are experienced enough, you can control it easily indoors as well. The DJI Mavic Mini drone boasts a top-notch quality 12MP camera that is capable of recording videos in 2.7K QHD resolution. The video output feels so stable and smooth because of the inbuilt motorized 3-axis gimbal. In addition, there is no need to register this drone with the FAA as it weighs under 250 grams even after having its battery inbuilt. And, on a single charge of this battery, it can almost fly for 30 minutes continuously. With all the additional assistive features like one-key takeoff/landing, follow-me mode, altitude hold, and GPS auto-return home feature, flying this drone is not a challenge for anyone. With DJI's dedicated drone application, you can even set up a trajectory path for the drone to follow. Although the build quality is best in class, it costs accordingly as well. But, once you invest in it, it won't give you any reasons to dislike it. Number 5. Potensic upgraded A20 mini drone. Potensic is yet another great brand to choose if you are looking for a beginner-friendly drone in the budget category. The Potensic A20 has all the necessary features that will help you gain some experience with flying drones. With its adjustable 3-speed modes, you can learn the basics pretty well. However, for the beginners, assistive features like one-key taking off/landing and altitude hold are much more helpful. The main housing of the drone is as wide as a smartphone, which means the size is quite small and good for indoors as well. Around its propellers, a good amount of protection is given to save it from collisions and crashes. The drone is fully functional and controllable with the remote, and in case of any emergency, just press one button, and it will land instantly. However, if we talk about its battery life, you get 2 replaceable batteries in the package, which provide a total flying time of 10 to 15 minutes. From the kid's perspective, it is a good deal, but from a learner's perspective, the battery life is slightly disappointing. Number 6. SANROCK U61W Drone. SANROCK U61W Drone with camera for kids. SANROCK is a dedicated brand that brings up all types of drones for children, beginners, and adults. All its drones are known for high quality and performance. Among its drone cameras, this U61W model is especially for kids and beginners as it comes with an easy-to-use remote with a dedicated button to start the drone and stop whenever you want. This drone comes with a HD camera with 720p resolution and 90 degrees angle setting. So, you can record live videos of any place you want with clarity. There is also a smartphone app that the brand provides, which you can use to see the live feed that the drone records. For safety to kids, the drone comes with 4 propellers with protective frame all along to prevent injuries while spinning. Moreover, this drone supports headless mode and height hold mode, which don't let the drone fly too high. To ensure endless entertainment, the drone has 2 chargeable lithium batteries that give a flight time of 14 minutes each time. Number 7. Force One Scoot Duo Hand Drone. If you are looking for a small toy to give as a gift to your children, Force One has a pretty good package for you. This deal has 2 drone units for a reasonable price. Unlike most drones that need a transmitter or a controller to operate, there is nothing as such needed with the Force One Scoot Duo. In this pack, Force One is providing 2 Scoot drones that are very much suitable to fly indoors. To launch the drone, all you need to do is take them in your hand and gently toss it, and it will automatically start hovering. After a charging time of 50 minutes, it offers a flying time of up to 8 minutes. As there is no remote controller involved, you can totally control these drones with your hands, all thanks to the 5 infrared sensors built in. It can detect if any obstacle is near and can change its direction of flight. With the protective shells, the propellers are very well secure, and it also protects the hands from touching the propellers. Therefore, it is totally safe for the kids and crash-proof as well. As soon as it starts flying, you will love to see the LED lights glowing brightly.